This is going to be episode 2 of the right-hand drive JK build. So today we are going to put the lift into the Jeep. So we've got a 2.5-inch lift we're going to install on this. We are currently working on a long arm kit for one of these from a new suspension company that's coming out. So hopefully we can get that installed later on. But for this season, we're just going to put a 2.5-inch lift and those 35s on there, just to get my family and myself out on the trail again, since we changed the YJ over to just a 2-seater. So yep, there could have been better ways to do that, but that's fine. Oh. Easy enough. Okay, let me show you what kind of lift we got. So I went onto eBay, right? And I found the cheapest lift kit with shocks I could possibly find. One thing, we're broken. So anything's better than broken. So what we're doing with this is that I knew that we were going to get rid of this lift kit because we're going to put much better components in this. So this is just for this season until next year when we do the good. Okay, so I know it's a cheap lift kit, and I literally just went through a interview with Craig about not skimping on cheap stuff, but we are skimping on cheap stuff because I would rather throw $246 into the garbage versus $2,000 lift kit. So that's my decision. That's why I'm doing what I'm doing. But this is just to get us through to have a good wheeling season with my new family. So we're gonna put it in and see what it does. Just like that. Okay, so we got the shot. Okay then, now we're stuck. There we go. So all we gotta do now is tighten up the shocks, throw some wheels on it, and do the back. Okay, that's it. The 2.5-inch cheap eBay lift doesn't look too bad. Wheels look amazing. Give it a much better look. Yep, I can dig that. Well, that's it. So the next thing we're gonna do is probably next venture bumper, the hood louver. So we put the grill on already and the hood louver, super boring. Put it in, it's in, whatever, it's good. So now we are working on the front bumper because stock sucks. So we're gonna take this thing, get rid of it, and we've got plans for a next venture bumper. So we're gonna cut to the removal of the bumper real fast. Perfect. Okay, now we're gonna cut some things. We're gonna cut it off because we don't need it. So we're gonna cut this thing about right here. Shink, cut it off there. And then we'll get rid of this lower ugly bar. And then we'll put the new next venture bumper on. Okay, so this is the bumper that we're going to be running. So this is the Next Venture aluminum Trail Series bumper. We powder coat it, black texture, and then the inside is a silver zinc coating on the winch tray and the tow hooks. We got the brackets coming for the fog lights, but this is going to be a little something special that we're going to do on all the Next Venture stuff that we're putting on this thing. That's going to be special. I'm not going to show you that quite yet. Okay. The one thing I do like about the Next Venture bumper is that it's a modular bumper. So say you're out there and you smash a rock and bend the crap out of this thing, you know, you tear up the aluminum shell. All you gotta do is give Tyler at Next Venture a call and they will get you set up. You can't order them online, but you can call Tyler and get the outer shell, the aluminum part. You can call him up and you can place another order and replace it. Okay, so now the bumper's on, the winch is in. So we've got a new fair lead coming. We got the new fog light brackets coming, so those are going to get finished up next week. So we got a 7-inch Stinger coming from Next Venture. They're going to fab us up one and get it coming to us next week. Other than that, I think all in all, I think it turned out pretty well. I like the color difference between the black and the silver zinc. So it just pops out just a little bit more, so it's not all, you know, traditionally the same color. So we'll get the fog lights put in. Everything was a success. We've got a different grill for this thing because it broke in shipping on the first one. So we're getting that painted and see if our buddy Hector from Howlin' Wolf Garage, we're gonna have him paint the grill in this thing. Okay, so day 97, season 14, episode 294. So we are in the midst of putting this thing together. So I got the grill from eBay. It's eBay. So
the eBay grill.
So the eBay special, looking at it, was going to keep it black. I don't like it. So we've got a celebrity guest today.
Celebrity.
So we've got Hector from Howlin' Wolf. So
far from a celebrity, but we're gonna get to do this. I just realized that the insert doesn't come out.
No, sorry about that.
Because Amazon, I guess.
No, eBay. It's worse.
eBay? Oh, yeah,
it's
eBay.
worse.
Yeah, you said it 7 times. I still said Amazon.
That's okay. That's fine. I'm not going to hold it against you.
It's all good, man.
So
we're gonna do a little bit of a color match.
Yes, close as you can get it.
Close as we can get it.
If it's not black and it's close to red, I'm good with it. So that's what we're gonna end up doing. I'm gonna have Hector do it. Check out Howlin' Wolf Garage on YouTube. So we're gonna collaborate on this grill and get some things painted
And maybe some other things.
and some other stuff.
You never know.
You never know.
I might need some stuff done too.
Yeah, so we're gonna be working together on.
So you got your big, nice new shop, and I also have a big, nice new shop. So
perfect.
Yeah.
So we're going.
And we're literally right down the street from each other. We just found out.
It's a stone's throw away.
It really is. Yeah. I was like, dude, I could throw a rock to my shop from here.
I'll stand on the roof and we can we can throw signals at each other.
Dude. Yeah.
Okay, so check him out. So keep an eye on the new grill, gonna get painted, and he's gonna do that on his channel. And that's it. We're gonna keep going on this project.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, and with all that said, the bumper is on, everything looks good, the winch is in. We're gonna get some different hardware for it, and we'll throw it all together. Perfect timing. See you on the next video.